We're really excited about the upcoming launch of our Room Alert Max product line. As you know, we've been incredibly successful within the data center and IT space with our Room Alert Pro line. We're using Room Alert now in 187 countries, servicing customers around the world across any industry, every branch of the U.S. military, NASA, SpaceX, JPL, across to tech spaces, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, into industrials like Procter & Gamble and Hormel Foods, and any place that you can find data center or IT infrastructure, you're going to find Room Alert. Now, with Room Alert Max, we can protect the rest of the organization and the rest of the facility. So you can take a product that historically has protected that digital infrastructure, the servers and the computers and the racks and the behind the scenes infrastructure that supports an organization, and now bring Room Alert Max out into the front of the operation, into the public spaces, into the more commercial spaces. You can deploy that product much easier. So now taking sensors, and instead of having to run wires or cables through different parts of your building, you can take a simple wireless sensor, mount it where it matters most, turn it on, and immediately get monitoring access. And best of all, monitor all of these sensors and all of these devices under the same Room Alert ecosystem that you know and love. So logging into your Room Alert account, you'll see your Room Alert Pro devices side by side with your Room Alert Max devices and have a complete comprehensive view through one single pane of glass of your entire facility and the environment conditions that may be impacting it. Room Alert Max is made up of three primary components. The first is the base. This is the central hub for your Room Alert Max installation. This connects into your network, supports both PoE and Ethernet, or also Wi-Fi connection for flexible installation anywhere in your organization. Additionally, from a cable mapping standpoint in the back, the mounting plate is designed to mount to any type of electrical box, meaning you can run clean cables up through a wall into the back of Room Alert Max and have an incredibly clean and easy installation anywhere out in a public-facing part of your organization. From Room Alert Max base, you can connect any number of Room Alert Max wireless sensors. This is a temp humidity sensor. This is what we'll have during the initial launch, and then there'll be additional sensor capabilities that come out from there. This temp humidity sensor can again be installed where you want to measure that temperature and humidity, typically within a 10,000 square foot space around your Room Alert Max base. And with simple pairing, it communicates back, communicates your battery life. You're going to know well in advance of any kind of battery maintenance that you need to do, but you're not going to need to worry about that for 2 to 3 years. So easy installation, easy support, easy monitoring of the conditions in the areas of your organization where it matters most. Best of all, without running cables or without having to climb a ladder or move drop ceiling panels. For applications where the monitoring within the base or the monitoring within your wireless temp humidity sensor aren't enough, we have what's called the Room Alert Max adapter. And now what this adapter allows is it opens up the entire ecosystem of existing Room Alert sensors. So it could be flood sensors, it could be power sensors, it could be our active power sensor. Any sensor that's not currently natively wireless to connect to Room Alert Max, you can connect to our Room Alert Max adapter, and then this wirelessly communicates back to our base. So again, from an installation perspective, no running cables back to a server room or IT closet. Instead, put the adapter where it matters most, connect the sensors that are close by, and it can communicate that back to the base wirelessly. Easy installation, easy monitoring, all visible within the one pane of glass within your Room Alert account.